Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Like usual, we want talking about cryptocurrency, and now or tonight I want share to you about crypto playing. Every helmet, bulletproof vest and night vision device saved the lives of Ukrainian soldiers. Thus, we must continue to support our defenders. Thanks so much to everyone from the crypto community for supporting Ukraine. According to Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine, aid for Ukraine's $54 million has mostly come in the form of 110 Ether or ETH each, worth until $18.7 million. 595 Bitcoin BTC worth until $13.9 million, and Tether or USDT worth until $10.4 million, and USDC or USD coin worth until $2.2 million. The crypto payments have gone toward military equipment, hardware, and munition, including $11.9 million worth of unmanned aerial vehicles, which are typically used to crypto spot enemy drops and direct attacks. A significant sum of the donation was also spent on armored vests at $6.9 million, along with $3.8 million on wild ration, $5.2 million on anti-war media campaigns, and $5 million on weapons of the Ukraine Ministry of Defense request, among other military and medical accessories. Crypto is playing a significant role in Ukraine's defense, said Deputy Minister of Digital Transition of Ukraine Oleg Boryaknov on the government-tied donation website. But Aid for Ukraine isn't the only organization taking in funds to assist Ukrainian defense efforts. Reserve Fund of Ukraine Come Back Live, Ukraine DAO, and Unchained funds have also contributed funds in 7 ranks. Although the amount of crypto-based funds they've taken isn't been disclosed since March. Aid for Ukraine work by transferring crypto in the crypto exchange FTX. Maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Maybe just this. Thank you very much. See you.